Hey, this is Coach T. This is another video in the Affinity Publisher 2 series that I'm developing for beginners to this kind of layout software. These videos are really aimed at adult learners like myself or maybe adolescents and really people who want to build cool stuff but maybe stumbled with the initial building blocks. These Affinity Publisher 2 videos are really aimed at the beginners. So if you're already kind of a wizard with this program, you're likely not going to find anything in this that's surprising or new to you. But if you're a beginner, if you're trying to learn how to use this software to build really cool, beautiful layouts, or to build a book or a magazine or a comic book, I'm hoping that what you'll find in this challenge video is a good litmus test of some of the stuff that you can do and that it helps build your confidence. So, all right. What we're going to do is I'm going to set you a challenge. We're going to call this our project challenge. And the goal here in this project challenge is to build a 4-page layout that has text frames that flow across all 4 pages. And I'll show you how to check that, test that. And then also, I want you at the end to break the flow between pages 3 and 4. And I'll show you why we might do that. So let's blow this up a little bit. That way, if it's a little bit too small on your screen, you can still see it. You can go straight up just like that. I'm doing it very quickly by rolling up on the mouse wheel. Okay, so if you've been following along with the videos, you're probably seeing some things over here that you haven't seen before. That's okay. I'm recording the project challenges at the end once I have a better idea of what I think a user of the series might need to know to advance and not go too quickly. But we will get there. I'll show you how to make all these different things. The last video, we went over this one and we went over this one. So now we're on to the newest project challenge. So we've already talked a little bit about how to use this chaining thing. What I want you to do is to pause the video and see if you can figure out how to make sure you know how to add pages and then create a text frame that flows across all 4 pages. When you're ready, pause me and then come back in a minute or so. Okay, so I always show you exactly how to do these things. That way you don't walk away from the challenge going, well, okay, I didn't know. How am I supposed to do it? So what we're going to do is we are going to just make sure we have an active text field here. We have an active text field. Ooh, I don't see one. Is there one here? Guess not. We have an active text field here. And is there one over here? There is one over there. Okay, and we can see that arrow right there. Right there and right there. So this is incoming and that is outgoing, those carets. So, all right, we go from here. We're going to flow over here. So we click the caret, click the next text field, then click the next caret, the outflow, and push it to the next one. And then we click this outflow and we connect it there. And what we can do to test this, make it a little bit bigger, is if we cursor down a little bit, so my cursor is like around there, text, insert, filler text. And now you can see that this text flows straight over here and then it flows straight from down there to over there. Now let's say that this is the end of our article. It really is only a 3-page article and we want to start using this page for something new. Well, that is where this part comes in, understanding how to break these chains. So to break the chain or the flow, you just click on the outflow caret and then click on it again, and it's maybe a little bit hard to see, but there's a red X in there. If I click it, it severs that connection, and now I can start typing over there totally on my own. So that's your project challenge. Now you know how to start to stitch documents together, and what I'm going to do is we'll come back to this, and we're going to use this layout. So save it, save it as a document we can come back to, because in the next challenge video, we're going to take this and we're going to start to inset images and stuff in order to get what feels like an organic, natural flow between the different pages.